Hello friends, welcome to Mathematics Simplified. Today's lesson, ICSE Mathematics Class 9, Chapter 6, Simultaneous Linear Equations. Exercise 6b. For solving the pair of equations in this exercise, use the method of eliminations by equating coefficients. So here we need to multiply one or both the equations by a suitable number so that either the coefficient of x or y in both the equations become numerically equal. Then we need to add or subtract both the equations so that the numerically equal coefficients will be cancelled mutually. The resulting equation we can solve so that we will get either one of the variable. So we need to apply that in any one of the equations to find the value of the second variable. This is called eliminations by equating coefficients.
We will solve question 7, 8 and 9. As part of part 1, we already discussed about question 1, 2 and 3. And part 2 we discussed question 4, 5 and 6. Both the videos are available in the same channel. Please refer. 3 minus x minus 5 equal to y plus 2. 2 into x plus y equal to 4 minus 3y. So we can take the first equation. It's 3 minus x minus 5 equal to y plus 2. We can rearrange this. 3 minus x plus 5 minus y equal to 2. So this 3 we can take right hand side. So now minus x minus y equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. So 2 minus 8. So minus x minus y equal to minus 6. So we can take all minus this side and minus will be cancelled. So x plus y equal to 6. This is first equation. It's 2 into x plus y equal to 4 minus 3y. So 2x plus 2y, this 3y we can take left hand side, it's 3y equal to 4. So now 2x plus 5y equal to 4. So this is second equation. Now first equation, it's x plus y equal to 6. So we can multiply the first equation by 2, so we will get 2x. Okay, so first equation multiplied by 2. So you will get 2x plus 2y equal to 12. Next we can take the second equation. It's 2x plus 5y equal to 4. We can subtract both. So now 2x will be cancelled. Now 2y minus 5y, it's minus 3y equal to is minus. So 12 minus 4, it's 8. So y equal to 8 by minus 3 equal to minus 8 by 3. Now we can take the first equation. It's x plus y equal to 6. We can apply the value of y equal to minus 8 by 3 here. So it's x minus 8 by 3 equal to 6. So x equal to 6 plus 8 by 3. So we can take LCM, that is 3. So 3 into 6 is 18 plus 8. So x equal to 26 by 3. Already we got y equal to minus 8 by 3. So answer x equal to 26 by 3 and y equal to minus 8 by 3. Question 8. 2x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0 and 2x by 3 plus 4y plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. We can take the first equation, just we will try to rewrite. It's 2x minus 3y equal to 3. This first equation. We can take the second equation, it's 2x by 3 plus 4y equal to minus 1 by 2. We can take LCM 3. So it's 2x plus 3 into 4, 12y equal to minus 1 by 2. So now 3 we can take to the right hand side. So it's 2x plus 12y equal to 3 will go as a numerator. So minus 3 by 2. This equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2 has same coefficient, it's 2x. So now we can take equation 1, it's 2x minus 3y equal to 3. And equation 2, we have 2x plus 12y equal to minus 3 by 2. We can subtract this. So minus 2x minus 2x 0. So this minus 12y. So minus 15y equal to this minus and minus plus. So 3 plus 3 by 2. Okay. So it's 3 plus 3 by 2. So now minus 15y equal to, we can take LCM, it's 2. So 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 by 2. So minus 15y equal to 9 by 2. So y equal to, this 15 will go as denominator. So minus 9 by 2 into 15. We can cancel this. So 9 and 5 3 and 5. So now we have y equal to minus 3 by 2 into 5, it's 10. This minus 3 by 10 equal to y. This we can apply in the first equation. So first equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 3. So 2x minus 3 into minus 3 by 10 equal to 3. So minus minus plus. So 2x plus 9 by 10 equal to 3. So x equal to, this 9 by 10 will go right hand side. So 3 minus 9 by 10 by 2. So x equal to, first you can take this LCM. So it's 10 into 3. So 30 minus 9 by 2 into 10 is 20. Equal to 21. 30 minus 9, 21 by 20. This x. So already we got y equal to minus 3 by 10. So answer x equal to 21 by 20 and y equal to minus 3 by 10. 9. 13x plus 11y equal to 70, 11x plus 13y equal to 74. So here in this sum, the x coefficient and y coefficient and the second equation, okay, are interchanged. For example, 13x in the second equation, 13y, and first equation 11y and second equation 11x. So this we need to solve something differently. Okay, so first, okay, we can take the first equation. It's 13x plus 11y equal to 70. So the second equation, 11x plus 13y equal to 74. We no need to find a suitable number to multiply or divide any of the equation. So what we can do now, we can simply add both the equations in this case. Okay, so if you are, suppose now you are finding this kind of equation, you can simply add the first and two equation. So here we will get 24x plus 24y equal to 144. So we can take 24 outside. So 24 into x plus y equal to, so here the 144 we can split is 24 into 6. 24 into 6 equal to 144. So now 24 and 24 will be cancelled. So we have x plus y equal to 6. This we can call it as equation 3. Once again we are taking equation 1 and 2, but this time we are subtracting 2 from 1. So equation 1 is 13x plus 11y equal to 70. And equation 2, it's 11x plus 13y equal to 74. So we can subtract this. So now 13x minus 11x is 2x. So here minus 2y equal to minus 4. So we can take 2 outside. It's x minus y equal to, this minus 4 we can split. It's minus 2 into 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So x minus y equal to minus 2. This is our fourth equation. So now simply we can add equation 3 and 4. Okay, so equation 3, it's x plus y equal to 6, and equation 4, it's x minus y equal to minus 2. So we can add this. So y will be cancelled. So it's 2x equal to 4. 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. So now this we can apply in the third equation. So x plus y equal to 6. So x we have 2. So 2 plus y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 minus 2. So y equal to 4. So already we have x equal to 2 and y equal to 4. This is the answer.